All right, I am super stoked. Just got off the train in Glenwood Springs here. It's about an hour and a half late, but that's not too bad for Amtrak, all things considered. We just came through Glenwood Canyon, which I'm about to go back on through the on the bike trail. So looking pretty good. Beautiful day. It's 3:45, maybe 4 o'clock. So I've only got 22 miles planned as my minimum for today. So I think I'll be fine with just that. So getting ready to hit the road, and can't wait after sitting in the rail car for over 24 hours. So raring and ready to go. Oh, that's no good. I was depending on this rest stop to fill up with some water, and apparently it's closed and I don't see any drinking fountains. So on to the next rest area, I guess. This is so awesome. It's so beautiful riding through the canyon headed east. It's I-70 right next to me there, but man, it's just gorgeous. The Colorado River, you got the railroad tracks where I came in on the Amtrak, and the interstate just winds in this canyon. It's beautiful. Alright, well, this is where I say goodbye to Glenwood Canyon. Trail was nice, it was beautiful. I had a tailwind. Even though it's slightly uphill, it kind of equaled each other out. I'm gonna hit the road now. I think I've got maybe 7 miles to the first campsite I have available, and I think sunset is 2 hours from now. So I've got that, or I've got another spot 20 miles up, but it's looking more like I'm just gonna stop at the first one. Being it's the first day and I was on the train this morning, so, and it's getting late, then I can just kind of relax. So we shall see, but overall, so far, beautiful weather, and it was nice in the trail in the canyon because I had a lot of shade, so definitely not complaining there. So, but just excited to be back on the bike, that's for sure, and these awesome views make it that much better. So. All right, I'm gonna get back on the bike now. All right, I finally made it to the campground, and gonna get ready to set up my tent. First night, I think it's supposed to be in the 50s or something, so it's gonna be great sleeping weather. But someone must have had a hell of a party here. There's a swimsuit top, a bunch of Negro Modelo bottles. Must have been a hell of a party, but it's not going to happen tonight. So I'm just going to get set up and make some quick dinner and hit the hay. I'm beat. So this is my new tent. It's just a tiny bit heavier, a couple ounces heavier. This is the Tiger Wall. And I had the Fly Creek UL2 before, but there's a lot more room with this, and it's got a door on each side, which means I can vent on each side, so it's easy to get in and out of. put my gear on one side, and it's got really nice venting throughout the tent. And it actually uses less stakes too. So I'm loving it. It's got a lot more headroom inside too. Not that I spend a lot of time in there, but it's nice to be able to sit up, especially if it's rainy and I gotta hang out in there or something. So very happy with it. Okay, and here it is with the rain fly on it. So you got a nice vestibule on each side. I also have not had it in any adverse weather, but we'll see how it handles if I can. All right, well, I'm gonna cook some dinner and hit the hay.